We're still in Tanzania. I think today is October the 3rd, I think. I'm not totally sure. And sunrise is coming up on the Serengeti here. So there we go. We're out on our game drive. It's 6:25 in the morning, or for some, 06:25. Okay.
Oh my God. It's birds are look. Really working.
So you see the leopard, they have got a big body compared to the African white-backed vulture.
Oh yeah. That is some competitive evening.
Black spots, black and white.
Yeah.
And the one with the grayish, that's African white-backed vulture.
That never is trying.
Look at all the wildebeest that are going across the water here in Tanzania. And there's thousands upon thousands of them here. So we're just sitting here watching them. It's early in the morning, October 3rd, 2021. And One Man Travel bringing you all the best for you. Let's take a look at the wildebeest. They're still crossing non-stop.
So you see the marabou leg, it looks like a white.
Yeah.
Normally the leg is not white, it's grayish color.
Oh.
But the
males in there are living well, right? They've got a lot of females.
it's a one male with a harem. But I don't know, these other male, they look like
Warthogs out there. 2 adults and a bunch of kitties. But they're behind the grass now, so you can't really see them. They stopped to look at us. Oh well. He's only one wildebeest.
I'm sorry, I made too much noise, buddy.
It is hiding.
I made too much.
That's exactly what he's doing.
Everybody must be well fed.
Zebras up ahead too, on our side. Me too. So we're crossing over into Kenya.
International boundary.
International boundary. There you go.
Yeah.
Hi Ed, how you doing?
Our intrepid leader Joe.
Hi.
And this is a tape that I'm making for Top Gear. We'll send it in there.
Hi,
So
yes.
there's
Hi
your man
Richard,
there.
hi Jeremy, how are you doing?
There you go. Okay.
Delighted to see you.
All right.
Here we are, we've been crashing across the plains of the Serengeti in our 4x4 safari vehicle.
Right there. Which you can fix without any problem. Get the spanners out and everything.
If we need
and,
to, yeah.
there you go. Okay, sounds good.
I think we're going to have it.
Run!
Come on.
Perfect.
One more time.
One more. We'll see what time.
I'll just leave mine on. I'm over here. This is it. I'm back here. I am. Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
All right.
It's tsunami yet.
Super. There we go. March.
Well, you're right about the school bus.
That was a lot of pressure.
It was.
Thank
Are they
you,
going to
guys.
come here?
School bus. Nice school bus. All right. Hello, everybody. All right, everybody here. Okay, good to see everybody. This is still. Oh, lots of people in there.
Yeah.
All right, everybody.
It's the Kenyan Ranger who's guiding the group.
This is a group that are also visiting, and they may be from Kenya, because I think it's a Kenya Ranger over there that's doing it there. Bye! Bye! Bye!
The middle part is remain pink but not shiny. And then 5 to 6 is going to get a lot of spots.
Spots on it.
And then 7 is completely
Completely black.
black.
Oh.
Flies here.
Spots at the, he's still kind of spotty at the end of his leg. His legs.
Yeah, another thing which is more easy to tell is teeth.
October 3rd, 2019, we got the lions here in the Serengeti. I think we're back in Tanzania now, but look at all the vehicles around here. Come see the
The more they
lions.
keep growing, they become more lazy.
They're
So
all here.
hunting is sometimes.
And the lions couldn't care less. They just want to rest in what little teeny tiny shade they have there out of all this sun. So there we go.
So they need
A lot of flies around here bothering me, but the lions just resting easy. Must have had a good meal there, so all right.
members. And mostly you can find sometimes if you find the full pride, sometimes they put the collar, the GPS collar. Like they go down and
Bye, lions. See you later.